Happy Friday everybody. It is finally sunny again. It is 1 week till George's graduation. It is 3 weeks till I fly to Bulgaria. Today is a good day. I hope you're all having a fantastic day as well, and I hope it's sunny where you are because the sun just makes everything better. George, what is your favourite thing about Friday?
I don't know, it's the end of the week.
What is your favourite thing about this Friday?
Barbecue?
That sounds like a good answer to me. I'm being really cheesy today so far. We are currently walking to the barbecue. No, we're not. We're just walking to somebody's house to get some food and then go to the barbecue. Finished at the barbecue.
Hey, it's 1 AM.
It's not 1 AM, it's 1:30.
Oh yeah, it's 1:30.
Probably 22 by now.
Well, yeah, it was nice.
It was a nice barbecue, good food. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog and that you had a good day, just like we did. And I will see you tomorrow. I just watched The Edge of Tomorrow at Warwick. Bit of a crazy film, very jumpy, very Tom Cruise as usual. There's people shouting. Yay!